You know their dog's name. You know their morning routine. You know their insecurities. You spend hours listening to them talk while you clean your room or drive to work. Your brain has registered them as a close friend. But there is a glitch in this relationship. If you disappeared tomorrow, they wouldn't notice because they do not know you exist. Psychologists call this a parasocial relationship, a one-sided illusion of intimacy where one person expends emotional energy and the other person is completely unaware. The human brain did not evolve to understand screens. For thousands of years, if you heard someone speaking directly to you, making eye contact, they were physically in your tribe. Your brain still believes this. Creators know this. They use language designed to simulate friendship. They call you a community or a family. But you are not a family. You are a demographic. This simulated intimacy is the most profitable business model on the internet. It is how they sell you merchandise, Patreon subscriptions, and energy drinks. You aren't supporting a friend, you are funding a corporation. And the darkest part? They are trapped too. They have to constantly perform a heavily edited version of their personality to keep millions of strangers from abandoning them. Parasocial relationships are the emotional equivalent of fast food. They taste like friendship, but they have zero nutritional value. They trick your brain into feeling connected, which stops you from going out into the terrifying, messy real world to find people who can actually look back at you. Turn off the screen. Go find a real reflection. Subscribe to disconnect.